In today's video, let's talk about how to use the CreditWise app from Capital One. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video. Now the CreditWise app is a free tool that can be accessed by anyone, meaning that you do not need to have or be a Capital One card holder. In order to use this application, you'll be able to find it within the Play Store or the App Store. Make sure you download this application. And in terms of logging in, you need to input your details such as your legal name, your address, your date of birth, as well as your social security number to securely match your credit profile. And once you have created or logged into your account, this is the exact information that is being displayed, which is the VantageScore credit score. You'll be able to see exactly your credit score being displayed and which updates automatically every week without hurting any sort of credit scores that you have. You can also take a look at all of the reports to see the full list of active credit cards as well as open loans that your account has. So this is the exact way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like. I'm going to see you in the next one.